How to disable Life360 tracker without anyone noticing. Here's how it works. You want to open up your settings, then you will search for Life360, like so, and you want to click on the app itself. Now, this is very important. You will need to disable a few settings. The first thing that you have to do is click on location and change this to never. Then go back and you will need to turn off motion and fitness. You will also need to turn off background app refresh and also cellular data. Turn those off, and this is not gonna indicate where you are moving. And once you are ready to turn your location back on, you will simply go and enable those settings back. So motion and fitness, background app refresh, cellular data. And that is how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you boys and girls next time.